Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah, Junimo.
Freezy Macbones, good morning.
Morning, me about to say.
Pacho me ho ye pa na also Pacho tie for person mu tie won ti no kasa fo ewo afidie num.
Mate.
Ye mo akwa ba na kwa me. Ye mo akwa ba eba dwumadie so.
Me da se me nua ba nyame adom.
Aha ye Onua 95.1 FM. Adwuma.
Adwuma na obo ni say.
You posting a picture will be any I say Freezy ba show no so. When I'm say yeah, he's coming. And go find this over. But I'm say no, he will come.
Say any papa ni tie no. Me tie o.
Nyamisha.
Why invite me there? I say me to na moye day eba.
Nyamisha bebre, nyamisha.
Follow pa.
Nyamisha me follow pa. Ojo ko jogging ni ade nyina. We dey make medical nyom no. Nyina me monitor o.
Me da se.
Ne dey na ekoso.
Dada na. Yeah, Juma ya kofa bet atu ye ho say ye boxing na.
Boxing na.
Ba ye ba fie na ye de ani atoto form hu say no ma bi wa ye betima ye e de aboa ye o my Ghana ye boxing na ma na tum pon kakra nti yenso ye try say ye be ye bi de aboa cause ye ba ye no wo hwa
Pacho chefide no ko anu kakra say ba betima jija dem na ye fine.
Yeah.
Aha.
I think yeah.
Ane.
I think me ba ye no me hu no ma bi to say Tempia Opia, who say Champions League, you know,
football.
But you're better be at home. I mean, say boxing and Castan Shedania day in Nimsa. It ya can on my bomoa, a yemi team, ya trans ya can on my boma, Pessy, DBB day, Eba, and a dear bouncer, and only a dear friend Macbones promotion. I be a Pessy, a deba, a beboa, a young talented, no, our way boxing, your best set event, I'm one to. Fight on the show. After that, so your trainer say, "Oh, you'll be a born homodia. We can sign you and support you and
that's what sponsorship." Macbones promotion record label na say.
Anyone wakana. Not just say, "Hey, idea be a kibit mind or amononi."
Yeah.
So and now say be a.
Pacho kasa wa fidie no.
Me kon talk about crowd amononi a bit mabwa me ba. Nikwa say. The idea ni chere
this is home.
Sir, this is home. To say the menu about what kind of. See, not just say minimum team no yet trans no a asempa any idea about it. 23rd December and no na ye de top from why ye pese ye de ba a Bokum arena a boxing arena on a hona ye no.
Hona mo ye no. Ye me about 23rd.
Yeah, Saturday we yeah.
Saturday di enim ya. Time na time be.
Gate in the BA 6:30.
6:30. Take it to man.
Patch take it to me, yeah.
Patch saying.
Patch take it in here. Yeah, no, for cry, per se, and crano, or be
to
be to take it, started from 20 Ghana cedi. 50
oh, never war for
par because a person will be about no beshebi. So 20 Ghana cedi, 50, and VIP is 100 Ghana cedi.
100 Ghana cedi.
Yeah, very cheap.
VIP the dinner WOHO.
But
who fight no 2-2?
Yeah, like I think say. You feel comfortable than 20,
20 cedi.
Yeah, 20 cedi. Streets na 1 year tight.
And
Obi and how and
Obi and Koton Pabwa, Obi ko ye hey nwasun. E no ko 20 dey there wo. Ma no aso nyina si.
20 no so na vibe.
I dey tell 20 vibe
because hono Obi e can boxing ho asem and hono is easy to like find someone say Obi jump to why in common now oh she Freezy I say oh she boy and why say oh boy need to mean we now be no Jimmy ana and
never na ye de no VIP what do obi ya premium proper
sa ko VIP asa nkomo no nya bi nye de
Debbie
me can Freezy ho asem obi o VIP no onim ba the all 20 lane no onim o say eh no kro yeah boy no minim no oh say on say the time be me kwa ayara me pay say cheap you know and because of the ticket, because of the vibe there.
Sanity. Freezy. Growing up in a person boxer na. I've always wanted to ask you. Growing up in a.
Oh, Pacho Derby.
Na person ye
Derby. I mean, a good question, sister. Let me name them here, cause I think say me ma papa wo ma 10. And my time in Kwana me be my me last
what
so now boxing day and I miss baby ya woman no ade friend boxing man who be wo hoda ade na me hwe ye Adwuma nursing no sa wo ko an ni asori anopani na akwa da akwa ne Mike Tyson ne asori ahemache akwa ti ne nim adwene kra then me see so we school school bo ascore friend Krobia Asante Technical Vocational Institute and no me ko suya BC building construction ti so me ebi wa ye makwan na mato shovel na me de nam na me padwuma aye sebe ye beboa ma me skills no dance na de akwa ni muti be kan say BC no building construction no ho nimdie kakra na me me ko school ba akonya ne ba say me tu kwan no na wa wani tua abrochire de okwa adwuma e ho de say most of adwuma enipa ya na Ghana for the donor cleaning no ana mechanics will be there but me ko na mpese me ye bibi de sesa ma brabo am ye dey me na mu no bit say e bia me mpese me cleaning no nko because at the end of the day enipa ye nyini e beto mre bi no ntimi nya den sorry nko ye cleaning David nti ese me ya ade bia be sesa ma brabo no kakra nti ma me ye ma do say me boxing but obviously, before you make up in your mind to do something, there's something need to motivate you. Exactly. I think there was a 2015 or 16 Mayweather versus Pacquiao. Yes. Yeah, that fight. Tough match, pa. Yeah, Michelle say fighting. So now Michelle say fighting. Now Mayweather keep running all over the ring. You know. That's so Johnny. So I was like, no, quite chicken. And I catch on number say I can do this job. No, I said no, won't to me, but. I mean, so me padia like me you be so untimi. It's a challenge, no. I will do. That is the thing. Any upper menka one kind of number will say, oh, be a challenge me challenge mean to me. But so okay, so untimi I'll find a way to make it happen. Sana it's so emuno me imagine me started boxing or me call me first boxing gym. The punisher myself say, what do you feel? I'm 27. 27 episode started boxing. No, emfa. Who say what bro agents so? Yeah, my bro agents because to a friend crabby more mobile was say cry what this was 9, way 10 or so. This is a type of encra. Yeah, they build more. Yeah, they grow up with it because so one just cano scan of the register gym one. The next day me buy was in my catcher one but thank God say 10 times that required and I papa been a day. No now you're fast. Yeah. Free show, I can't hold. I saw you first. yeah, fast. That's all. What I'm this guy here, there, man. I was so free here. I'm saying, if Ghana was yeah, Ghanaians are tough. They can do the job. And I'm saying, okay. So free hall, then I start to learn the step, how to jump, how to throw right hand. Like everybody can fight, even granny, grandpa, everyone can fight. But it's like techniques, how to learn how to fight. And yet, Felicia 18. Yeah, but a balance so now my juma na me and so no. I say me a juma ni be free. Because when your time. In your time, what when my brother brabo. So a balance I my cleaning my minya one job be na me a kitchen pot. I know so cleaning is about I know now is name we day. A door something na with me. Training no baby but but Adwuma ni safe no ma chase Adwuma night and day like na musa kopem say but my adwuma na wo me so na boxing what catch them say oh I don't know what my Adwuma say e ma bi me se me da say na ko gym you got me say me what GD bi was a bad day e so on sanity but ni na ahomkeka obewo ediama determination no so any hard work focus know and one na me yes so and my jeja no ma bi any phobia na me dream say and I minim say omuntu me efupa like oh I don't know boxing oh you when you need now when you be from exactly my memo and our sisters mo cry need that so mo you want to quite some pay yeah that's it when me fear for it not say not me pese type of advice negativity so, na me trim who free say enipa be a mototesa no sabeya I'll build my mindset to be strong and look forward to work towards to what I'm looking for in my dreams you know so eba musa mame but I said the demu minyan toko and I said nyan toko biasa was like sparring then the guy was bigger than me and knocked him out I don't know what happened and 50 Cent got that video. He posted, Mayweather posted the video.
What?
Snoop Dogg posted the video. It's all over the world. It's, who is this guy? And they were like, oh, his name is Freezy Macbones. Then that day, I remember, Philly. Now, my Instagram was like 5 kg. Oh, sorry,
5K.
5K. All of the sudden, boom, 55K.
Hey.
Everyone was following this guy, and I started getting interviewed here, Sky Sports, BT here, and this guy said, oh, the way you knock the guy out, you are next British Mike Tyson. And I was like, dang, dreams comes true. Then from that even motivates me more. Like, if I keep doing it, a lot of, bracing will come. So
exactly.
I mean that I just keep training until I start turning professional and me talk two professional fight UK. Then this year.
Yeah. This
then
year.
Make come a third one, and my manager texted me, catch him say, oh, when your message be from Ghana, they want me to come back home to be part of the national team to go to Senegal for qualification to Paris. You know, I said, Olympics to Paris. I said, oh, why not? Pennyforce the upper dia kokotokona.
Yeah, bro.
Exactly. It is my call or my disco swim be SMS with the Buffy. I'm some the Baboa, they made them in media and Papa Muna made me pen. So that is why I make up my mind to come back. And I'm a bias who no money break. But although they see my niece one person, they call a Senegal, no, I'm quay, Senegal, I lost the fight, you know. And one thing about me is that when I see things negative, a lot of people will see things negative, but most of the time I turn that situation to positive. Okay. I lost the fight, but I went to the guy dressing room. I said, hey, do you want to come to Ghana to have a second fight with Freezy?
Home and away.
He said, why not? So I start have a conversation with his team here and there, and we make it happen. That fight is going to happen on the 23rd December, which is this Saturday.
In Ghana, Oko facing now Lucy or Senegal. On the 23rd, only that fly and so.
Yeah, connected. Yeah.
Because I got any.
David.
They didn't say gang, there's a connect of Africa. Oh, wow. If I no connected. Until we interview, I saw say you were emotional. And then no.
Yeah, this is the thing, you know. Obviously, this is social media. Everyone can put it.
There's some show.
Put it in there, they are show to say they work on me about. And then it's a self fighting now. Me and I was emotional.
Yes.
I won that fight. But I said, obviously, a bit because social. If you know Freezy, you know my story.
Yes.
A child back who say, oh boy, we the way forms or baby, I'm free. Baby, I'm tear, and that's only baby. So in so crying any problem,
me who said you now be able to die.
Very good, because when I get there, I'm not gonna lie to you. I was gassed up. I was like, damn, life can change like that. You know what I'm saying? I was living in this house, and now look at me. I came back to my village, and a whole bunch of people, and all these cars have, and man, it was emotional, and because baby, I know me dear, grow me name now for and Omuna to free or me who maybe one day or that's here day. It track quite from a Bima or a Mecranasi to a Yaskori, a 6 miles. In so to our name, a real bow name, a quota craniso, a foot trunk quan. So a console song by bunch board here.
Wow.
Avocado, I just saw Ton Sana why there when you studied it. So, sad to corner me, you know, when I went there, I think that Miss Sube almost bear 5 minutes in my dressing room before me coaching in my crow. And I miss Obusa me yesterday, me be man wakasa na soon so there more. It's not because of say Mira was like emotional. I never thought my life can change like that. You know, sorry, Teti. After the fight, I won the fight. Even so, if you watch the fight very carefully, when the referee put my hand up, the Freezy Macbones win, blah blah blah. I was still not like, yeah, not customer win. I was not happy. Everyone was cheering me, hey, Freezy, but I don't care because my mind, deep down, me red cross side, I saw. So I can't interview, and that was the right time to interview me, you know, because everything was flow, and I was like, Nah, and at the baby I was real. And intro be any baby because I can't hide it.
Hide it.
You know, sanity. But you know Ghana, you know Chroma is free. When I lost the fight in Senegal, there people cut that a bit.
Oh,
Like say, and on a mere day,
Usuno.
but that is not how. Maybe I went somewhere to get the same interview and present and some the same question. Say, oh, I don't know who's lose, and I'm saying no, that's not the fight. In Senegal, I must have me lose in the crowd. I was on the beach side, crying. I'm chill, the crowd, relax my mind because I know I'm here. What I need to positive now. I'm here, and then I'm finding a holiday to rest my mind. You know, that is how it went. Sanity.
I feel what you need in. I'm a patch or high on 95.1 FM. Many Freezy Macbones and a good soy chicken come. You could try a home rest here by better one common.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Jinimo.
Yes, yeah, baby, we are tuned in to Onua 95.1 FM. Many Freezy Macbones and a good soy chicken come. Freezy, before I go on to my next question, oh, yes, or bear box and no my make I say, you know, Papa, because when you do a quad which is a call 5 year dear Fabre, so you only bear my crowd with them. And I say, Mamma, may a boxer, okay, say,
Man can't try because. Minus have an up or domi power per myself on person many injury and I say oh better say be at my prayer and I say visa and I will force the make catch will be crying papa and medical day papa for any walk on macacra so yeah when you never me say freeze is tough on and I'm hard drink a crack it's only say okay but me mommy I think say TikTok we be a straight when I'm more fascinated for the be who you know the chere no and so no na say akra no yeah but wayabre waka cranty on share that and call internet me I to on share that me I say be my call no be say abrabo mu to say
because me imagine so am TV the chine ye bobo my for no more wrestling go to maintenance you
no who say pa we no oni do win oni do lose to one you know
yes I some show be me at February
but I know another qualification to Olympics no so
okay.
And on ye be kwa you know Italy
yeah. All right.
But obviously the BT said the medical cancer first thing first.
Yes.
You should day your name
23rd, no? 23rd.
After that, no. Abroyi for then we move to the next one.
No crap. It's Yami Adwuma when that match and so.
And I know the main event near Freezy Macbones versus Konate from Senegal. Rematch. Yeah. So and I did back where when we crying to say this is my first time I make me and Kasami Krum.
Okay.
So obi most of the Ghanaians, you know, me I say be more amanane or UK na or mashame fight, you know. And the padrona and share that and share my life. Say the Freezy second until say be a oko YouTube be now phone so no one say be a Freezy fight and I be beside the padrona share. So I think that this is very interesting story or fight to come and watch. And your Bukum Banku Nebano so he fighting undercard, you know, so he's gonna be more interested, you know. But like I said, in terms of the ticket, it's really cheap. We make it cheap for everyone to get involved with it, you know. And so mechanic power mobile he'll be shocked. Mekaka crabby nana mekacho. Yes, Stone Boy, he will be there as Samoa Giant. Yeah, and two stubborn medical. Obviously, yeah, my brother also be WOHO. Yeah, man Panida da Mahama.
Okay.
Yeah, he's a big fan of boxing. So he said, Freezy, you are fighting, I'm coming down to support you. So he also coming. So I mean it's gonna be interesting. A lot of celebrating coming out. I believe Sasakwa they will turn up, Kofi Kanata, all these people are coming as well.
Because this is a very big match. This is a very big match for Ghanaians. This is ours.
Because boxing, I said I need boxing. Boxing, but we need not only in Ghana, in Africa, we need a face for Africa boxing.
It's true.
You know what I'm saying? And and because so but you share more my boy and am I intimidated to my DNA air baswa.
Aye.
Meet my Bubaka Krabi me waha actually pray Ghana, they praying part of it, you know, and Buhuman, obviously that is my biggest sponsorship. They've been supporting me since day one, since I started boxing. They do online active well. If you need the clothes to train everywhere, you get them online. And Alleged Topper, you know, also boy insura medical center also airboa pa Kamani Crab war Dubai. Me call Dubai for 2 months and I stay in that gym, and that gym is not like it will be a bit macro. It's a membership club, you know. If
you member now to me
call invite, you can't go there. And that club, that gym, I think that is the best gym I ever been. I'm telling you, that is like if we have 10-star, I will tell you that is 10-star gym. Everything is there. Everything you think about is there. And you will be to say fit rip, Jolu. I hope say unim baby I make sure fit Jolu gym.
Yeah.
Almost getting involved to support us as well. And I need about Madam for power. No, this is not politics. Don't get me wrong. This is not politics, right? This is sports. Madam for power. Sharaf Mahama. Ex-president Neba
no.
Where Madam for power. So Mayor Jumadebi say he get involved and he got a charity. He Obwa and cry and no more said the fracture or more mamma day any be an papa now or muni mammy papa so Obwa and he used his company to also to support me as well. So big shout out to Sharaf Mahama and everyone who get involved, and Freezy Food as well. Anyway, Freezy Food we get there in a minute we talk about it as well. And about the Albania take it to so at all, and also you can go online and get it in the takeitmailer.com.
Takeitmailer.com.
Yeah. Takeitmailer.com. And I say ubetimanya people take it maybe at fit rape. Yeah, give them the money.
No more the amount.
Take it and so I.
But said that number 21 trans.
Oh yeah, Bokum Arena. On so bet me anya be so day.
Time near 7 or 7 p.m.
6:30.
6:30 p.m.
6:30. And by bit to say Vida Cafe, Accra Mall.
Yeah,
that one is one of my favorite cafe. I like cappuccino, so yeah. So if you go there, you can get your ticket as well. And East Legon, Labone. Yeah, East Legon, Labone. Yeah, this is like I don't know if I hope I get it right.
Yes, Labone.
Yes, this is the place you can get the ticket, and but the best thing you can get it is from online.
From online.com. Okay.
You know, to make it easy. Yeah.
To make it easy. My last question, dear, Uko register gym now. Wama access no. Uko to ni bi man. Now one has he seen how?
Oh yes, no. I mean, thank you for asking this question. Only maybe. Nansenya ohumi.
Pacho kasagumi.
Ohumi nansenya Brexit no. And I was say you done well, you know. I'm so proud of you. You done well. And I'm saying, no. I mean, so me, you'll be. I'm straight guy. I'll tell you straight. I was like, you never believe in me, yes. Right? Don't you? You think I'm a guy? I'm just coming to play around. I don't play. I said to you, I'm going to be a champ, and you wait. He said, no. You know how to handle your social media. I said, no, it's not. I know how to handle. There are so many people. They have social media to go far, but they don't work hard enough. I work hard enough. That is why I deserve this position. To me, the car was where the sister. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes we use our hard work to put people wrong. You know, to let them feel bad. I'm not going to tell you, I do this. No. You wait.
You wait.
Yeah. Exactly. You see the successful. Exactly. So but it depends on you. How bad you want it.
It's true. And it dear. Because want to be fun, no can say na want na ho. What do I know can now work it always it.
Sir, because position now wash na baby apesa wo no. Any pa be fans 1,000 people want the same position. Pacho de bicho what you say.
No cry. Enya nkwa na ope.
Sir, so if you want something so bad
you work for it.
Any pa be 1 million want the same thing, the same position, the same thing. What can you make different to get that position than the rest of the people? It's a discipline, hard work. You wake up early because most of them like sleeping. So you do so much than them. You have it. You will be the first, you know. And me, baby, I make us say, ayana service you. Ayana ni pani bin so. Inhu amo say, baby, umu free no. Ayana emwa me ebu omabam. No, baby, I'm free and they share me thing. Mama be ni pa me day me to say. So I always say this: God never make mistake.
No, He doesn't.
God never make mistake.
He doesn't.
You know. So, baby, I will free. Baby, I will be. There is a reason why God make that happen. because nyankopon person will use wo share and a man for be anymore nyamana to look up to you like because of Freezy I don't want to give up. I don't want to, and I got that a lot. And I went to Viaduct Cafe. Charlie me try me a cappuccino and a jama me dem chair. So still now nipa ni hu me I was Freezy bro. I na me show video me my downloading na go me phone so but you are the reason why I keep doing what I'm doing, bruh. Me slow. Me share what's it I look up to you. That is what he said. That word, I look up to you, it touched my heart. Because this is the thing it make me feel sad sometimes to cry. But because Michelle Ubia, bro, I'm nobody. Patrick David what I say. Free crassy here, boom. When you akwenya wakudro, nipa me brain nya kwenya call or might be more. They relax. They think like Philippa.
Now why obi wa sa na ope o. I'm ko ya kokọ nam. Odu abechira kokọ nam obere no. I'm lose focus. Ai.
Oko ya kokọ nam. Yeah.
Share.
Enokre.
Who was all boy so Kofi Broniano. Obi anu so ade huna so kwa becha Kofi Broniano. Aya wa.
Now because before I remember me them say they will sit here. Oh my mistress I will show video. Yeah. Obia the way Obia connect how I see marketing home. But I like the way you are so calm, how you do your work. I watch you. I'm not gonna lie to you. I watch you. I like people like they are not forcing, but they are natural, and that is you. That is why I love support you and follow you. So Okachem said, I said no, I will come to your interview. Of course, I need this because at least I'll be part of your what you're doing, and I'm here to support you as well. No, I watch you honestly, and you're always in your lane. What I say, just keep doing what you're doing.
God bless you so much.
I support you.
God bless you. God bless
but
you.
you don't see, but we watch you from far.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
But I could namely day you free.
My boy, Freezy Macbones, it's been a very wonderful conversation with you. Yeah, but the basic how no final words be.
I mean, keep believe yourself.
Yeah.
And never change for anyone.
Never.
You know, never change for anyone.
Never.
And always be yourself. You know, this is the thing, right? I mean, can be kakra beach Philly. Me call me drew London or brofo cram into me day. Enka. Call me school me call cry. Sebi and shed and Costa Rica crabby. Obo free to a bar near Onua show. So it's but a near Dane. And near this, I made the when I make a for me. I say, okay, me son, and fat, but me namusa, the thing about Abrafo Musma who say they like people they being real.
Yes.
So, exactly. Utimin Kakrana, you try. They know no, this guy is real. But one thing in Ghana is that when you try, that's the time they're gonna make a fun of you.
They'll laugh at you.
Don't do that. And only idea me who ya. So when people talk bad about me, that is the time I go high.
Rising. Exactly.
Because I don't follow the crowd.
No.
You know, I always know my way out. Don't. So just keep being yourself. Believe yourself. Keep working hard. But the most important is also not a bumpire. What I say,
keep believing in yourself. Bompaye na judi na nyame obeya ma. And I mean Freezy Macbones and a bonko my friend Felicia Osei. Fine girl singing class prefect.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah, Junimo.